Whew, this is tight. I'm getting heat from underneath. I will be going to Paris. It will be really warm, 41 degrees. I need to see how I and the motorbike can manage. So guys, we'll now be leaving the camping spot. This was a really great camping spot. Whoever is in this area close to Reims, I can definitely recommend it. The people were really nice. It's some kind of small farm. It was cheap, I paid 12 euros. And they were really nice. The woman who owns it came up to me really friendly and also instantly gave me a cold drink, which on a hot day is always nice. Speaking of hot days, today it will be 41 degrees and just complete agony. So I will get onto the next curvy road and just drive all the way to Paris as quick as possible, basically, so I can get off the bike for today. Well guys, there are no trees anywhere in this area and I now found some sunflowers to have a little bit of food and to get a break from the heat. You could believe we're in Morocco already with this heat, it's crazy. It's so warm. My bike is standing over there so I can see it. And this is this amazing field. Well, I hope that somewhere here close to the autobahn, like autoroute highway, I will find a gas station, because I need gasoline and something cold to drink. The bike needs fuel and I need fuel, basically. And I hope that my phone is not getting permanent damage from the overheating till shut off every day. Also, when we're on the highway, we straight go basically on the way with the least stops into Paris, which is good because I don't want to be stuck in traffic in Paris with the air-cooled engine. I'm already worried that the thing can... Oh, yeah. Is this a gas station? No, this is just a rental place. Oh, this is a tight squeeze. I'm not driving in between here. Come on guys, where's your gas station? Is this over there a gas station? Oh, a little bump in the road. Star Wash, Intermarché. Yeah. Oh, that's the nice things about France, that most supermarkets have a gas station. Also, the gas stations are at the supermarket often cheaper than on the autobahn. This is apparently an old gas station. Shit. So, this gas station was no luck. If I see correctly, I see a gas station. Still in construction apparently. Sadly, this one doesn't have any cold drinks, but it will do for now. So we're getting now closer to Paris. My phone is trying to do its job for some time. I hope it will work. The traffic is a bit intense. I hope that we do not later get into a traffic jam. That would literally be my death sentence right now, with the air-cooled motorcycle and all this gear on. And you have to remember the 41 degrees we have outside. Oh, shadow. So it says 13 kilometers but 31 minutes. That's not what I want to see on my navigation system. Also, due to lane splitting being really illegal in Germany, like with the Rettungsgasse you get like a quite heavy fine. I also have very little experience in doing lane splitting. Oh no, 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 no. Please don't tell me it is what I think it is. This is not good. Okay, with the air-cooled motorcycle we're in big trouble now. Okay, I will go for it. I don't know what else I should do. Oh, this is not working. Whew, this is tight. I'm getting heat from underneath. At least a tunnel. Well, city traffic on an air-cooled motorcycle in this heat is no fun. Well, I will try it with, I'll try to think of it like skiing. I just try to look where I don't want to go. Where I want to go, where I want to go. Getting tight in here, getting tight, too tight, too tight, too tight, too tight. So we're now arriving at Paris. I think there's the Stade de France. And I'm so thirsty. Like, you cannot imagine how thirsty I am. I'm getting a headache from the heat. I so badly need some water. But I cannot pull over now to get some water, because my engine is probably so hot that as soon as the airflow sets off, I maybe damage my bike. But at least we're getting some speed, and speed means cool, so that's good. So we're off the Autobahn. Hey guys, I just got finished editing. Till now I was only recording with my GoPro, so now I'm recording with my cell phone. The editing goes shit. Somehow some files are always missing when I try to read my mini SD cards, and that is not good. I now somehow managed to get the video from the SD card from the camera onto my phone via Bluetooth, but this is not what I wanted to do it like that. But at least there's light at the end of this tunnel.